Welcome to my store. I have fresh fruits and vegetables. Come and get your fruits and vegetables.
The vegetables on my back.
Can you have this out here?
I know not.
How can I help you today?
I need purple. Oh. Oh. Thanks.
Okay.
How about that?
Wait. 1,
Okay, no, no,
2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 purples now. That will be $5, please. Thank you. How can I help you today?
I need green vegetables, please.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be $5, please.
Oh no, we didn't know that. Yeah.
Here to that Derek. Come on, I got the dollars.
Thank you.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hey, can I have all of your yellow fruits and vegetables?
Yeah.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. Come again.
They have more fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
Oh.
1, 2. 5 $5, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What color do you need?
Red.
Okay. 1.
Wait. I got this one.
2, 3, 4, 5. Now we done. I have yellow.
No.
I have green. I have red. I have purple. I have orange. Let's make green.
And when next blow? I got that all.
All right, let's put it in there.
Let's mix them all up.
Mix it all up.
Be careful, just put it on there. Put a little on there.
It's enough.
What color is it?
Green!
We made green.